Hello and welcome to the Solutionary Summit.
We're really excited to be hosting lots of schools from across the world.
It's finally happening after 1 year, so I think everyone's been really looking forward to this.
You will have lots of fun and please enjoy a lot. Hello, I'm Maxi, and this is the Solutionary Summit, an opportunity for change makers to get together and spark change. Throughout the next 3 days, people will have the opportunity to attend workshops where inspirational figures will present, where they can learn what they can do to make a difference in today's world. We have many inspirational figures that have come here to present to the students of MIS to inspire them and all the other external students that have come from all across the world.
Hello, we are here on a nature walk with the Solutionary Summit and activists. We are here to learn about the wonderful nature of MIS before we go to our next activities.
Sometime back in my country, like a few months back, that such ways of purification has been in local ways in my country. But for us, we could not use bottles. So that is one of the ways to show it to the kids in a simplistic way. But for us, we could use clothes, real like a bed sheet, something like that, and we could like keep on like removing the dirt and like those sediments, and again putting in that charcoal in a different way, but we could not use a bottle as it was. So that is one of the ways we have been making the dirty water in my community to be clean. So yeah, because we could have these like we look for springs in my community, and we dig in some holes such that that water, like it is making a tank for them. So that's how we are making it.
So right now we are at our podium. The stage is set up, there are kids outside the doors, and everyone is really psyched because we've been planning this for a long time, and we're ready to have the most amazing Doc-a-thon ever. Thank you so much.
It's finally coming to be.
Doc-a-thon. Basically, the Doc-a-thon is a documentary film festival where we're going to display the work of student-created and submitted films about local change-making around the
We're going to be serving this food to schools from all over the world that came to visit. I think that this is like a very good thing to do because there's a lot of food waste in the world, and I think that if there's any way we can prevent it, that we should, and because there's a lot of people that are like hungry and don't have food at all. So.